Hey friends, today I wanted to speak to you about AI and agents, of course, but not in the sense that you expect. Because often I see people using AI and agents everywhere for everything, and that's not good. For example, would you use a computer to solve 1 plus 1? No. But what I see people do is equivalent to that, using AI to solve very simple things that don't need it. And why it's bad? First, it costs money. Second, it's longer. And third, and that's the most important, it can't make errors. So the more you can use deterministic way, if you can use code instead of AI that is not overcomplicated, do it. Okay, always ask, do I need AI here? You need it to analyze complex data, to create data for many things. But there is many other cases, and I have built very complex and interesting workflows that don't use AI but are very useful for businesses. And so this is the second problem. A lot of people are selling AI. Oh, you need that, and I can do you a chatbot with AI, etc. This is not the way. The way to do it, if you want to sell and make money with AI automation, because the real power is automation, and the AI is a tool that you use to get to create more, to go faster, and etc., and to do things that you were not able to do before. But the business owner doesn't mind about that. What he minds is to save time and money. Okay, so you have to find to interview your client to know what are the pain points, what are the problems, what are the inefficiencies, and from there you will know what to implement, whether it needs AI or not. So this is about AI. Now let's talk about agents. Agents are super hype. So all the web, all YouTube, it's AI agent here. This is insane. This is an insane agent, etc., etc. And we put titles like that just to call the click. First, sometimes videos that are called agents are not agents; they are workflows, and there is many other ways than the agent pattern to have good results. And for that, you should watch this video where I show all the AI patterns that you can use. And the agent is the last one. When do you need an agent? You need an agent when you need real flexibility, because an agent is an entity that is going to use tools and take itself its own decision to decide which tool to use based on the context. So this seems very magic, and this is why agents are so hype, because on the video, it feels magic, etc. But as it's AI can hallucinate, and AI can make mistakes. So it's not magic at all if this mistake happens in an enterprise workflow in a business, because then you can lose time and money. Okay, so you have to ask yourself, do I need an agent? Which is the pattern that I need? Do I really need this flexibility to let the AI agent choose which tool to use, or can I guide AI to tell it which it has to use? The more it's deterministic, the more we guide it, the better as a result, the faster is the workflow, and the less it costs. We can make very complex patterns. We can have workflows that become tools for AI agents. The idea is always to have the maximum of guidance to AI to have the best results possible. So I hope you like this little video, a little different format, but I think it's important to talk about that, because this is the Wild West, and everybody is throwing AI and agents everywhere without knowing what they do. You have to learn the thing, to learn how it works, and to plan things, and to understand what what is really needed to get results, because at the end what is important is to save time and money. And if you want to succeed and to sell AI automation or simply automation, you have to focus on the pain points to solve and how to solve them in the most efficient and useful way, and without the less possible error possibility. Bye.